dashboard in Jira in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered how you can effectively manage and visualize your tasks in Jira, you'll find that creating a dashboard is an essential skill. Dashboards allow you to keep track of your projects, visualize your workflow, and ensure that everything is on track. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Jira website. If you aren't on the website already, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to Jira. Once you're there, click on the Google option to sign in using your Google account. Make sure you're logging into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, to avoid any confusion. Once signed in, direct your attention to the left panel. This is where a lot of the key navigation happens. Locate the Dashboard tab and click on it. This will open up the Dashboard section where you can either view existing dashboards or start creating a new one. To start creating a new dashboard, find the plus icon on the Dashboard section of the left panel and click on it. This is your way to unleash creativity and efficiency and set up a custom portal to visualize your important data. After clicking the plus icon, you'll need to name your dashboard. Click in the text box and type the name that best describes the purpose or project that the dashboard will cater to. Remember, a clear and concise name will help you and your team quickly identify the dashboard's focus at a glance. Then, you should add a description. Providing a brief description can be immensely helpful, especially when collaborating with a larger team. A few words about what the dashboard will be used for or what kind of data it tracks will do the trick. Now it's time to manage who can view the dashboard. You're likely going to want to share your efforts with others, right? To do this, add viewers by entering the necessary email addresses or selecting existing team members from the list. This enables the selected people to view the dashboard and stay updated with the progress of the projects. Similarly, you may need to add editors. Editors can make changes to the dashboard, so choose them thoughtfully. This is essential if you work as part of a dynamic team that actively collaborates and updates project dashboards frequently. Finally, after setting everything up, make sure to save all your settings. Simply click on the Save button to ensure that all your hard work in creating this dashboard doesn't go to waste. Once saved, your dashboard will be available for viewing and editing as per the access permissions you've set. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a functional and personalized dashboard in Jira. With your new dashboard, managing your tasks and visualizing your project data just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for tuning in and happy dashboarding.